Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome, car enthusiasts. Today, I'm thrilled to unveil the world's top 5 best carburetors for Chevy 350 engines. Whether you're a gearhead or just passionate about performance, you're in for a treat. I've scoured the market to bring you the ultimate lineup of carburetors that will rev up your ride and unleash the full potential of your Chevy 350. So, if you're ready to take your engine to the next level, buckle up and let's dive in. Don't forget to check the link in the description below for more details. Let's get started. Number 1. Barrel Barrel Carburetor Carb, the ultimate upgrade for Chevy small block engines from 1970 to 1980, including 350/5.7L and 400/6.6L models from 1970 to 1975. Designed with precision and performance in mind, this aftermarket carburetor promises to revitalize your engine's power and responsiveness. Boasting easy installation with included mounting gaskets and seals, it's a hassle-free replacement for your old or damaged carburetor. Experience a noticeable boost in horsepower, up to 10%, while retaining near-stock fuel efficiency. Say goodbye to sluggish throttle response as this carburetor ensures smoother acceleration and enhanced engine performance. Whether you're seeking improved power or simply need a reliable replacement, the Barrel Barrel Carburetor is your go-to choice for unleashing the full potential of your Chevy 350 engine. Number 2. Auto Parts Prodigy's new carburetor for Type Rochester 2GC Barrel, the ultimate solution for enhancing your Chevy small block engine's performance. Elevate your horsepower while maintaining excellent fuel mileage with this 2-jet Rochester carburetor. Crafted with aftermarket high-performance standards, its heavy-duty metal construction ensures durability and longevity. The large base design, with dimensions of 3 11/16 x 2 1/16 inches, coupled with a venturi size of 1 3/16 and throttle bore size of 1 11/16, guarantees optimal airflow for maximum engine efficiency. Included in the package are the carburetor, mounting gasket, seal, and pre-installed fuel filter. However, remember to double-check compatibility, especially for Chevrolet engine models 350/5.7L, 1970 to 1980, and 400/6.6L, 1970 to 1975. Don't settle for less. Equip your vehicle with the best carburetor for Chevy 350 and experience unmatched performance today. Number 3. TUNDER Mingo New Rochester Quadrajet Carburetor, the ultimate solution for enhancing the performance of your Chevy 350 engine. Engineered to replace the 1901 GG Rochester Quadrajet carburetor, this 4-barrel carburetor is a perfect fit for Chevy 327 to 454 engines from 1966 to 1973. As well as 1975 to 1979 Corvettes and 1968 to 1973 Chevy/GMC trucks. With vacuum secondary and manual choke, it offers improved throttle response and performance across the RPM range. Featuring a CFM rating of 750, this carburetor ensures optimal fuel delivery for your engine's needs. While some vehicles may require adjustment due to fuel curve variations, our included tool and instructions make it easy to fine-tune. Plus, with a 1-year warranty, you can trust in its quality and durability. Upgrade your Chevy 350 with the TUNDER Mingo Quadrajet carburetor for unparalleled performance on the road. Number 4. Fengu 4-barrel carburetor, your go-to solution for optimal engine performance. Designed as a direct replacement for the 1901 GG Rochester Quadrajet carburetor, this 4MV4BBL powerhouse is tailor-made for Chevy engines ranging from 327 to 454 cubic inches. Boasting compatibility with models spanning 1966 to 1973, including Corvettes and Chevy/GMC trucks from 1975 to 1979, it ensures a seamless fit and reliable operation. With a carburetor CFM rating of 750, expect nothing short of smooth, efficient fuel delivery. Plus, included accessories like flange gaskets, air filter gaskets, and a handy tool kit facilitate hassle-free installation. Should you encounter any issues, rest assured with our 1-year warranty and dedicated after-sales service. Elevate your ride's performance with the Finhu 4-barrel carburetor, the ultimate choice for the best carburetor for Chevy 350 engines. Number 5. Waterwich's carburetor, the perfect match for your Chevy 350 engine. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, it boasts superior resistance to oxidation and corrosion, ensuring longevity. With its shatterproof sealed design and smooth surface, it exudes both reliability and aesthetics. Enhanced airflow structure guarantees improved performance without clogging, providing stable and responsive operation. This carburetor is meticulously engineered and tested to optimize your engine's capabilities. Compatible with Chevy engine models 350/5.7L 1970 to 1980 and 400/6.6L 1970 to 1975, it seamlessly integrates with your original equipment. Experience reduced fuel consumption, increased horsepower, and improved fuel economy. Keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently with Waterwich's carburetor. Just ensure to verify your vehicle's compatibility using our detailed fitment information. Upgrade to the best carburetor for Chevy 350 today. In conclusion, selecting the right carburetor for your Chevy 350 engine is crucial for optimal performance and efficiency. Whether you prioritize power, fuel economy, or ease of installation, there's a carburetor out there to suit your needs. By considering factors like airflow, fuel delivery, and compatibility with your engine setup, you can make an informed decision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share for more updated videos.